In the following video, we'll be unboxing the LED puck light. Thank you to Govee for making this possible. My dad and I received this package in the mail containing 3 items, all from Govee. We received the LED puck light, a smart meat thermometer, and a Govee Aura light. The LED puck lights were first. The package contains 6 lights and a user manual. The lights could be activated both manually and with a remote. The lights came with 3M adhesive tape, screws, and the remote. To turn on the lights, you'd need 3 AA batteries. Unfortunately, the batteries did not come with the pack. Also, if you would like to have a look at us unboxing the other lights, please subscribe so you can get notified when we upload the next videos. Using the remote, you could adjust the brightness, whether it was on or off, and you could set a time for when the lights would turn off. Overall, the lighting capabilities of this product were amazing. You could easily install this into your home by using the 3M adhesive tape. By removing the protective layer, you could stick it onto the light and then onto the area you want to use it on. If you would like to purchase these, please look at the link in the description. The radius of the light was quite impressive, as my dad put it in the kitchen, which is usually dark, but with the lights it made a big difference. As well as installing some in the kitchen, my dad and I installed some in my bedroom. Even in the dark, the lights could easily light up the area. I would definitely recommend this product to you, as it works really well. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing, and please provide your feedback in the comments.